What's up guys? In today's video, I'm doing a weekly prediction for two forex pairs, the euro dollar as well as the dollar yen. I'm going to be going over areas of institutional order flow, PD arrays, as well as weekly buyers. And I'm going to be going over the economic calendar for next week's trading week on Forex Factory. Let's get right on into it. So if we go into the daily chart of the euro dollar, we see that price has filled in a fair value gap created on May 14th, last Thursday as well as Friday. And there's also a chart pattern that's playing out right in front of our eyes, a bullish flag pattern. And if we measure this move from this low up to this high, we see that the pattern is playing out. It's consolidating downwards. And if we copy this out, let's see, how do I do this? Copy and place it at this move. We could expect price, just go to horizontal line, to trade up into this level, 109,222. And with that in mind, we have a bullish trend. So we can look for areas of institutional flow that price can fill in. And we see that there's a fair value gap, fair value gap created on January 2nd that price can fill in. If we scale down to the 4-hour chart, we can see that price can trade to this area of institutional order flow on the 4-hour chart, 110, 108, and the price can fill in that liquidity void. So, there's also a fair value gap that price can trade into. That's even better. So on the 4-hour chart, if we get the path indicator, we can say price trades down to this fair value gap and then start to trade higher and fill in this measured move from the bull flag, and then ultimately fill in the liquidity void on the 4-hour, and that would be your bias for this upcoming trading week on the euro dollar. Let's go to the dollar yen. If we're on the 4-hour chart of the dollar yen, price has been bullish since last week. So price can fill in this liquidity void here, created on May 1st. And we could expect price to consolidate at this level to accumulate orders and then trade lower to fill in this this fair value gap right here, which is also sweeping this low, and that would work. So there's this fair value gap that price can fill in, and then there's this low that price can sweep. That's good. All right, so for the bias for the dollar yen, price trades up into here, consolidates, and then trades lower to fill in the fair value gap as well as sweeping this low created on May 21st. And that would be the bias for the dollar yen. Let's go into Forex Factory for this upcoming trading week. On Monday, it's a green flag to trade, green light to trade, excuse me. Tuesday, May 28th, we can also trade. These aren't high impact news despite the red folders. Wednesday, it's also a green light to trade. Thursday, we should look out for unemployment claims. So maybe we should wait until 9 a.m. EST to look for trade setups. So a yellow light. And on Friday, it's a green light to trade. So we should only be wary about Thursday, May 30th. May 30th, but for the rest of the trading week, we could look for trades and we could freely trade on those days. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.